Transform your home. Classic French mansion design secrets. Have you ever walked into a space that felt like a whisper from a bygone era, where every corner tells a story of grandeur and grace? That is the exact magic we are about to bottle today, diving deep into the soul of a classic French mansion. It's more than just a style. It's a feeling of timeless romance, a dance between opulence and a lived-in warmth that welcomes you home. We're going to break this down room by room so you can picture it all coming together. First, the secret weapon for creating this entire look is the relationship between your wall color and your floor. Think of walls bathed in that soft, old cream hue, a shade that feels like aged parchment catching the morning sun. Now contrast that with the rich, glossy depth of dark mahogany wood, and suddenly the room has instant gravitas. It's the perfect backdrop for drama, which we'll bring in with some truly stunning fabrics. Imagine sinking into a sofa that's so deeply burgundy it's almost black, its velvet surface gleaming under the light. We're going to layer textures that are so lush, you'll want to reach out and touch them. The gold piping, the tassels, the embroidered silk. We'll explore how to transform every single room, starting from the moment you step through the front door. This isn't just about decorating. It's about curating a lifestyle that feels both majestic and incredibly comfortable. A classic French mansion design is a sanctuary where the outside world melts away, replaced by a symphony of rich hues and exquisite materials. The beautiful part is that this style is surprisingly attainable when you break it down into its core components: color, texture, and light. We're going to walk through the entryway, the living room, the bedroom, and beyond. For each space, we'll use a specific palette and material list, ensuring a cohesive flow from one room to the next. Get ready to be inspired by the drama of a crystal chandelier and the artistry of a gilded mirror. This is design that never goes out of style. So grab your favorite drink, get comfortable, and let's explore the art of creating your very own Parisian palace, starting right now. Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. Your entryway should make a statement before a single word is spoken. Imagine stepping onto a floor of dark mahogany laid in a classic herringbone pattern, its glossy finish reflecting the light from above. That light, of course, is the warm glow of a magnificent crystal chandelier, which instantly casts a spell of elegance. To anchor the space, place a carved mahogany side table against the old cream wall, which already features those classic white molded wood panels. Let the table be the stage for a single grand floral arrangement, or perhaps a gilded frame holding a cherished photograph. Finally, complete the scene by hanging a gilded, carved mirror opposite the entrance, so it catches the light and doubles the sense of space. Now, moving into the living room, the burgundy velvet sofa is the undisputed star of the show. Its regal color is perfectly complemented by a set of pillows, two in shimmering gold brocade, one in matching burgundy, and one with exquisite silver thread embroidery for a touch of frosty contrast. You'll want to position this sofa to face the focal point, perhaps a grand fireplace or a large window dressed in thick cream drapes. Those curtains should have a hidden layer of burgundy inner curtains, and don't forget the finishing touches, a valance or lambrequin, at the top, complete with heavy gold tassels. Beneath the seating area, roll out an Aubusson rug with a delicate floral pattern to soften the herringbone wood floor. The overall vibe is one of curated luxury, perfect for intimate conversations or elegant soirees. When you're ready to retreat, the bedroom becomes your sanctuary of sumptuous detail. Center the space around a magnificent carved mahogany bed frame, its headboard a plush expanse of burgundy velvet adorned with tufted button detailing. The bed itself is a masterpiece of layering. Start with ivory white sheets that feature delicate gold floral embroidery, then add a silk blanket in that same soft old cream hue as the walls. Pile on the pillows to match the living room. Mix your gold brocade and silver threaded ones for a luxurious layered look. To finish, place a small plush burgundy pillow at the very front. The result is a bed so inviting, it feels like a royal invitation to dream. Let's not forget the dining room, where drama and intimacy are essential. A grand dark mahogany dining table takes center stage, its glossy surface perfect for reflecting candlelight. Above it, another crystal chandelier, perhaps a bit more understated than the one in the entryway, casts a soft, flattering light. You can bring the same old cream walls and white paneling in here for continuity, creating a classic frame for your gatherings. For the seating, consider upholstered dining chairs in a deep burgundy velvet to echo the living room sofa. You could even adorn the center of the table with a small gold-threaded runner and place elegant, gilded candlesticks on top. This creates a setting that feels both grand and welcoming, perfect for hosting memorable dinners. Now, the kitchen in a French mansion is a different beast. It's more rustic and utilitarian but must still feel cohesive. Picture cream-colored, or even slightly off-white, custom cabinetry with intricate molding, which harmonizes perfectly with the old cream from the other rooms. While the floors might shift to natural stone or a large format terracotta tile, you can weave in the mahogany with open shelving or a massive wooden island. Instead of the burgundy, perhaps use it as an accent color in a few antique ceramic pieces displayed on the shelves. You might install a grand ornate range hood that feels like a piece of sculpture. The goal is to marry the mansion's formality with the kitchen's function, creating a space that's beautiful and practical. Remember, even the most formal French home has a heart, and that heart is often this very room. Even the bathroom deserves a touch of this refined aesthetic. Consider walls clad in the same old cream wainscoting, but this time finished with a high-gloss waterproof paint. To ground the space, use a dark, herringbone-patterned marble, or even a glossy mahogany-stained woodlook tile for the floors. A freestanding clawfoot bathtub becomes the centerpiece, while a gilded, carved mirror hangs above the vanity to echo the design motifs from the main rooms. Layer your towels, ivory and cream, and add a plush burgundy bath mat for that signature pop of color. To cap it off, a small crystal chandelier or a series of elegant sconces will provide a warm, flattering glow, making your daily routine feel like a spa ritual. Stepping outside, the facade of the mansion should feel as natural and timeless as the interior. You'll want to use materials that look like they've been there for centuries, such as warm, natural stone or a lime-wash stucco in a soft, earthy beige. This creates a monochromatic and organic base that feels both grand and grounded in the landscape. The key is to avoid anything too stark or white. Let the building feel like an extension of the earth. Windows should be tall and shuttered, perhaps painted a muted gray or a dark charcoal to add subtle definition. These shutters aren't just decorative, they anchor the home to its classic French countryside roots. Finally, a grand wrought iron gate often serves as the elegant introduction to the estate, hinting at the splendor that awaits inside. Finally, let the garden be the perfect, romantic extension of your mansion's soul. You can plan a layout that is as structured and elegant as the interior, perhaps a formal French parterre garden with low hedges and gravel paths. Boxwood trimmed into perfect geometric shapes will contrast beautifully with the soft, organic forms of the house, reinforcing that sense of order. To mirror the colors inside, plant deep burgundy roses and peonies alongside creamy white hydrangeas for a stunning floral palette. Add in a stone fountain or a classic wrought iron bench as a focal point, giving you a place to sit and admire your private paradise. The sound of water trickling will add a serene melody to the atmosphere. It's this seamless transition from the formal rooms to the natural landscape that makes the classic French mansion design so enduringly romantic and breathtaking.